my new baby. You all know this my content journey. I've been making use of my old babies. So this time around, I need to upgrade. I beg. I need to upgrade. It's yeah. It's see, it's helping me out. Can you carry it? Eh? I feel okay. In the video that on YouTube standard in the video. Yeah, yo, it's unboxing. See my new baby. Oh yes, my dear. I believe that. So I don't have clothes. For how many months now? I decided to get myself a new baby after my birthday. This is my birthday.
Outcome.
Birthday. This is what I use as a birthday gift for myself. These are 3 sets. Wait, baby, but I'm not gonna have my mom boss. Hey, see. This is a sheet. Let me put down this carton. Spare fan. Come on, one behind. These are 3 set pots. It's unboxing. See this one. Hey, I love this one. Very small. It's got a wrap for hand. Yay! Very portable for warming soup and stew. That is what I got this one for. Once I bring it out from my refrigerator, I do the warming. This one is for pasta. If you want to prepare pasta, a big and good job. This one is for pasta. Then this one, the ogbonge of them, I think this is 34 or 32. This one is for my soup or stew. But you can't put them here. I thought it's 30. Wait. Okay, 32 cm. What's more than 90? This one is 32 cm. This one is 20, 28, 20. So this is 28. This is 24. This is my new baby. Yeah? Imagine that I told you. In the wood. Oh yeah, snappers. This is our new baby. This is our new. The position of my video, same picture. This is our new baby, and it be up on the back right. Same picture. This is our new baby. Everybody. Hey, baby. You know, hold it like this. Hold it here. I carry it. This is our usual daddy. Baby, my fellow content creator.